DOSBox. Here you see www.dosbox.com. Click it. Go to downloads. Here DOSBox 0.74. Download it. Download ready. Download is done. Go to the folder where you download it. Right click on DOSBox and run as administrator. And then yes, for the first time you have to do this. But I click no. Type DOSBox on search bar and click. This is DOSBox 0.74 version. Go to Google again and type GW Basic. Oh, here you are. Click on gwbasic.com. Click gwbasic.exe.zip. You have downloaded gwbasic.exe.zip. Open it. Right click on it and extract here. Copy GW Basics. Go to C. Here, this C. And paste. Click continue. Everything is okay. Go to DOSBox again. Type mount C, mount, mount C, C, colon, slash. Okay. Oh, great. If you found this red line, then it means everything is going okay. Type C, colon, slash, GW basic dot exe. Enter. GW basic 3.23. Type your first program here. Similarly, you can do this for Windows 7 and Windows 8. I do this for Windows 10.